Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, my pet buddy and I are going to show you how to use carbon paper. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need some carbon paper, a photo to transfer with, a piece of multimedia paper to transfer onto. I've got some tape here, eraser and a pencil, and a piece of scratch paper or maybe a sketchbook that you can make some practice marks on. To begin, just check out the carbon paper. There's a dark shiny side and a gray side as well. And you'll want to put the dark side face down and make a few practice marks. Make some dark marks, make some light marks, and do a few different things, kind of just practicing with it. And then get your eraser and practice erasing because some of these are going to be harder or easier to erase, and you want to use the marks that are easy to erase. So for me, that's these nice light marks. Now that I've practiced, I'm ready to assemble these pieces together. So here I have a piece of multimedia paper and a photo, piece of tape, and some carbon paper. First, let's write my name on the back of my paper, art time class, and then our class code. Just in case we don't want our paper to get lost, let's pretend that's my class code. All right, I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna take the carbon paper and lay that dark side down. And then I'm gonna take my photo and put that on top. See how I have these layered together? And I'm gonna put a little piece of tape. Now the tape holds this photo and the bottom piece together, like so. And it also holds the carbon in place as well. Let's go ahead and make some marks and see how they look. I like to start by going around the jawline, doing some light marks. Coming up. And then I will open up and be checking as I work. When I do my hairline, I like to do little dashes. Sometimes I'll do a little dash that comes around. I'll sometimes see like a strand of hair and kind of follow it down here. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh. So take your time. You want to just capture all those major features of your face and just do the best you can with transferring the picture over. Ooh, little by little, I'm seeing it, and I cannot wait to see what you are going to do. Till next time, keep being creative.